Hello, third grade, and welcome to the second part of our point of view and perspective practice. Now here's a quick review of what point of view is. Remember, point of view is the who. Point of view is the who. So if the character is telling the story, we call that first person. We'll see words like I, me, us. If it's in third person, then the narrator is telling the story, and there will not be any I, we, or us. So let's go ahead and go to our activity for today. We're going to be on page number 6, point of view and perspective assessment. Go ahead and begin with me. Some of these you'll be answering on your own, and some of them I will answer with you. As I trotted up the hill, I realized that it was just too quiet. I could feel a funny feeling in my stomach starting to grow and twist. There was no sound from the bird who was nearly always singing from the tops of the maple tree. I thought I saw a shadow move up on the hill, but when I looked again, it was gone. I thought about how my home had become unsafe. I knew something was wrong, so I turned around and ran. So there are a couple of clue words in here. I see a lot of I. It's coming from the character's perspective. I don't know what this character's name is, but it's a character in the story. That is first person. If it's from a character in the story, their point of view, it is first person. Now you can answer number 2 on your own because I just helped you find some of those. And number 3, what is one advantage to this point of view? We're going to practice answering questions using cups when we answer this one, crossing out the question words, using the rest of the sentence. 1 advantage to this point of view is. And we talked about this a little bit in our last lesson, that if it is in first person, the character can share their thoughts and feelings. Pause the video so you can type that out now. Now I want you to read the second part because the point of view changes. They're the same story, but written from different points of view. You can use the voice note or type out how it changed the story. So how did the different point of view change the story? You might be very interested to see what happened. Once you're finished with this, you can move on to the next activity for today.